this video, we will learn how to backup a WordPress website. In future, if you're facing any issues in your website or lose all the data from your website, you can easily restore the data from the backup process. If you have backup files, you can solve the issues in the future. So how to backup a WordPress website? So we can go to the dashboard of the WordPress website, and here we are going to install a plugin which is called all-in-one WP migration. So just click on the plugins and click on add new plugin and search all-in-one WP migration. After under all-in-one WP migration plugins, you can see different type of plugins, and here we can see a plugin all-in-one WP migration, and they have 7,000 plus reviews and 5 plus million active installs here. So this is our plugin. So click on install now button. After install now button, this is installing, and they're showing an activate button. Okay, the plugin is installed. Then click on the activate button. Now the plugin is activated. So go to the dashboard, and just so on the left side of the dashboard you can see the plugin is available here. So just click on the all-in-one WP migration. Here you can see um, a button which is export to button. Just click on export to button. You can see different type of sources to backup the WordPress website. So you can see file, FTP, Dropbox, Google Drive, and different options here. So you can backup the website and the website through in different format like a file, FTP, or Dropbox, Google Drive, and which you want. So this I will click on the file. I want to export the data to a file, so I just click on the file button, and now the processing is starting. Here you can see the process is completed, so we can click on the download button. The file size is 230 MB. Just click on the button, and here you can download the entire backup file from here. This is the method for backup the WordPress website. You can use the all-in-one WP migration plugin and export to in different destination like file, FTP, Dropbox, Google Drive, any other destination which you want. So I hope this is helpful. So please like my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.